Hello, here I will show you how to prepare nice looking spreadsheet from this data, from this raw data that we have, all these metrics of the domain. You see it's difficult, it's not possible at all to work with all this data because we cannot see actually, we cannot see like we cannot distinguish visually which domain is good, which is not. Okay, so for this we need to delete some excessive data, some numbers that makes clutter in this sheet. Okay, so for example, I want the A to be shown only 20 and north, 20 plus. So all the values of the A below 20 I want to delete. Trust flow, everything below 5 I want to delete. I don't need this in my sheet. Okay, hrefs, domain rank. Here, for example, everything below 3 I want to delete at all, like not only values but all these domains I don't need in my table at all. But this domain I need in my table, but I don't want this number to be here. But below 3 I want to delete it all. Referral domains below 20 I don't need at all here in this table. This domain I don't need. This domain I don't need. Okay, all the zeros we will eliminate here. So let us start here. The timer, go. Okay, the A, sort largest, find, what do we find? 19 and below we delete. Trust flow 4. No, sorry, 4, and here we need to do match entire cell here. Here also 4. Here, for example, .7 would be okay. This will delete. And here, for example, less than 3 I want to delete it all. Here we do like this, Control Shift down arrow and delete. Okay, and for example from 9 I want to keep this domain but just not to see them. Referral domains 20, so we do 19, but I delete all these domains, I don't need them. Here's very simple. 0. Keywords 0. 0. That's all. 2 minutes 54 seconds, less than 3 minutes, and we have our entire sheet in beautiful way. So then we sort it as we want. So my own setup is like this. First I sort age from the oldest, then I sort trust flow, largest and largest, and then I sort by domain rank, largest, and then I sort by DA. Okay, you see the difference? Here is the spreadsheet we can work with. So we see that this domain might be worse to look. Not really, but this one for sure. This I bet it's some PBN use or whatever, but also these ones I will not touch. This again is worse looking. This of course, and so on and so on and so on. So this. Now you see, you save yourself a few hours a day, because now you won't spend time on investigating bad domains. Okay, you see the difference? And this. Okay, thank you for watching.